Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I'm lathered up right now from my previous video where I used distilled water instead of the water from the sink to mix my shaving lather, and within 1 minute I had a bowl completely filled right here with shaving cream. Look at that. And I've already lathered my face. This is how much is left over from the first lathering. So I thought I would perform a quick shave with the Razorine, and since I used this handle, the 21970 in the previous video, I will use the 21972 in this video. So I'm going to unscrew it, drop a blade in here. I'm going to use a Gillette Silver Blue blade this time. Last time I used a feather, this time we'll mix it up. Pop it right over the post and the two slots right there. Drop the cap in. Reinstall the handle. Ready to rock and roll with the shave. Let's see. Blade reveal is even. Looks good. No overhang on this razor. Let's clear the runways. Temper the razor under the cold water. Oh, by the way, the specs on this razor weighs in at 3.42 ounces or 97 grams. And the overall length from top to bottom is 3.74 inches or 95 millimeters. And this is the 21972 handle. Smooth, polished, stainless steel handle, brass head. All right, let's do it. Find the angle, work your way down. The lather that I mixed up in the previous video that I'm using is Paraso Menthol and Eucalyptus. Side's filled up, flip it over, right down the neckline. Very good, both sides filled, rinse that. Lots of stubble going down the drain. Now the other side, oh, you didn't get to see my beard growth, but if you look at the previous video, you'll see what it looked like. I did have 2 or 3 days worth of beard growth, so you can see right here. It's not like I'm shaving nothing, and I think you can get the audible feedback too. This razor is really good on giving you some feedback by way of sound waves. You can hear that, right? Right down the neckline. It's a nice hefty razor, stainless handle. It's got some good weight to it. Feels good in the hand. All right, let's rinse that. It's very streamlined. It's a low profile head, so no problem whatsoever getting underneath your nose. You can scoop right in there. All right, first pass complete. Quick rinse. Look at all this lather left over. Crazy amounts of lather. Yes, you could have a lather party right now. Little figure 8. Clear the runways again. All right, here we go. Hands are still wet, easy to grip still. First pass with the grain. Now we'll go across. Backhand. Cleft. Rinse that. Now against the grain on the neck. across the mustache, and you can get right under the mustache because there's no blade overhang, as you can see. You can get right under the nose. That's the plus. The minus would be it's a little harder to remove the blade from the razor because you can't grab it from the edges. Alright, watch this, just a slight rinse. I'm just going to take a little bit of shaving cream from the bowl on the cheeks. I'm going to rag the cap. Get baby smooth on the cheeks here. Beautiful. Other side. Very good. Nice and smooth. Alright, let's rinse. Final rinse on the razor. A hot, then cold water rinse on the face. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block, remove the cap, just glide that all around the areas you've shaved. Give you a little bit of feedback on your shave. Seal off any small nicks or weepers if you got any. But we achieved a nice, smooth, nick-free shave this time. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds. Put the cap back on, then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Here we'll go with the same matching aftershave as the shaving cream. This is the Parasso Menthol and Eucalyptus shaving cream in the tube. And this is the Menthol and Eucalyptus aftershave balm. Refreshing and toning. A little bit in the fingertips. This one comes out slow. Must be really thick. Massage that together. Right in the skin. Nice and cool. Forehead. Excellent. Baby smooth cheeks, chin, mustache, neck. A final look, the Razorine or Razorine. This is the 21972 model. You saw the shave. I had a decently heavy beard growth, 2 or 3 days. I removed it, 2.5 passes, no problem whatsoever. With the Parasso Menthol and Eucalyptus shaving cream, lathered up in this bowl. This is after the shave, mind you. I still have this much lather left. I used the distilled water right here, just about that much of it to fill the cup, and soak the brush in there. And that was all regarding hard water versus soft water. If you live in a hard water area, you'll want to use this distilled water in your cup just to soak the brush. That's it. The rest of the shave, you could probably get by with rinsing and everything with the tap water. But to mix your lather in the hard water areas, distilled water, which costs 99 cents for a gallon. There it is. It's in the cup. This is after the shave. Soak your brush in there and mix your lather using that distilled water. And you'll be able to mix lather way better than you could with your hard water previously. So check out the previous video and you'll see what that's all about. Alright, if you want to pick up any of these items, the Razorine razor, the Parasso shaving cream, aftershave, alum block, brush, bowl, any of that, click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab it right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, and it'll pop right up. Please do me a favor before I head out. Smash that subscribe button down there and then ring the bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.